Welcome, guys, to the new playlist called Recruitment and Hiring. In today's video, we will see recruitment process step by step in a detailed manner. Ever wonder how companies hire the right people? In this video, we will break down the recruitment process step by step in a simple visual way. Every recruitment process starts with identifying the hiring need. This may be because of increased workload, a new role, or replacing someone who has left. As a HR, our responsibility is to clearly define the job description that include responsibilities, required skills, qualifications, and positions goal, and advertise this job on different platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, job boards, and company websites. After advertisement of the job, HR will receive CVs that apply for the job from different categories of people with different qualification, experience, and skill. And as a HR, it is our duty to shortlist the best candidate for the interviews that match our criteria. Criteria for the selection and rejection of the candidate for the interview is must be based on the job description and roles and duties of the job. Shortlisted candidates based on the job description are called for interviews. These can be phone interviews, virtual interviews, or in-person meetings depend on the role. In this interview, we will discuss the job detail with the candidate and learn about their skills. As a HR person, it is our responsibility to conduct different type of tests such as skill test, aptitude test, or personality test. These are very important for strategic roles or for managerial positions. We have to acquire the people or induct the people into our team that matches the personality or the environment of our organization as well as knowledge base and skills. After all evaluations depend on job description, the top candidates are invited for a final interview and the best fit is selected. In this final interview, we must communicate openly what we are expecting from the new employee. After completing all the steps described earlier, HR prepares and sends a job offer that includes salary, benefits, and job details. Once accepted, the hiring decisions become official. The final step is onboarding, where the new employee completes documentation, meets the team, and start learning about the job. As a HR, it is our responsibility to integrate the new employee into our existing teams. And that's how the recruitment process works, step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more HR and career videos. Thank you so much.